In an Extreme Rules match, it's hard to predict what will happen, but there will be chaos. I can assure you of that.
The thing I love about Extreme Rules is we're guaranteed something from out of the blue. Some outside interference, a weapon nobody saw coming.
Oh, who are you kidding, Corey? You just love all this anarchy, don't you?
Confession. Guilty as charged.
Good grief, man. This is vicious.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage.
Missed timing with... Hooks in. Big brain buster.
Can that keep Cena down?
And shoulders up before a count of one.
These men knew this match was going to be hard fought.
What's the tally on how many times we thought this match was coming to an end? I can't count anymore.
John Cena looking to end this. Attitude adjustment.
Is that going to decide it for Cena?
Two. Oh, kicks out, kicks out.
I thought once he executed that, it was good night.
You have to wonder, how much more can he take?
And Cena has a stunned look across his face, but he's going to have to refocus and throttle up right away.
Shoulder tackle.
Had that one scouted. He's looking a little off balance.
Cena not showing any signs of backing down here. Unloading with that power offense of his.
Uh-oh, clearing off the announce table.
This is about to go from bad to worse.
This is not going to be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
Punch connects.
He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring.
Grabbing a guitar, one step closer to starting a band, I guess.
Thesz press! Thesz press! Thesz press!
Wrenching their opponent, and look at these.
And a series of vicious knee strikes to the body.
And he tosses him back in now, clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
And it must be garbage day because out comes the can. Ooh. Each shot landing with a little bit more venom.
The fight is on, and it's furious.
Looks like a hockey fight's just broken out.
Who will break first? That is the question.
Ooh! Oh, what a shot!
That'll light you up.
Hooks in. Big brain buster.
Can it be capitalized on?
What? You've got to be kidding me.
That's impossible.
I can't believe what we just saw.
And you can sense the desperation mounting as that last move couldn't finish things.
Oh, what a DDT. We're seeing why they call him Big Mac John.
Yeah, the greatest of all time. John Cena, the 16-time world champion. Man. Oh, Cena got caught with the reverse.
Oh, this could be something.
Uh-oh. Arm drag. Smart counter to that maneuver.
That had to hurt.
Kicks directly to the chest.
Heads out of the ring. What's next?
Bringing out that ladder. We are in uncharted waters, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Golly, what destruction. Nothing says, here's my vicious side, like throwing a trash can.
Cena powering up his opponent into position for the AA.
Cena can end it there. You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition.
He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen.
Taking this one back to the ring now.
Uh-oh.
Blow to the abdomen gets them out of that. And one more reversal. Talk about evenly matched here. There it is.
We might be close to the end.
Holding on by a thread, maybe even less at this point.
He's setting his table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night.
No way, no, across the shoulders, not through the table.
Through the table.
That's it.
Straight through the heart of the table.
We are through the looking glass now, people. Anything goes from here on out.
Taking it outside the ring now. John Cena.
Wow, sunset flip powerbomb.
The C Nation is coming alive.
Cena giving no quarter.
Chucking the steps right into them.
He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
And here comes Old Faithful. The steel chair is in hand. Oh, my God.
What impact.
And the damage is just going to keep on coming if you can't find the defense for this.
It right back.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Setting him up. Russian leg sweep. And Cena looking worse for wear as this match continues.
John's been plagued with a lot of heavy offense. You gotta wonder how much more he can take.
With a protoplex.
Avoiding contact.
Well, I guess all rules are out the window now.
Hook and ladder face first.
Trapping the arms. What blows?
Good grief, man. This is vicious.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Caught with a punch. Getting the ladder set up for something.
I'd say that corner just became a major hazard, Cole.
He cinches Cena in. Uh-oh.
Cena with a reversal.
Ooh. Listen to this place. It's unreal.
The decibel level in here right now is flying. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
A table. The WWE Universe is going wild.
Shoulder tackle. He's focused on breaking down his opponent's core right now.
Taking away the center of all movement.
Slides him back to the mat. Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
He's got one thing on his mind with that chair, and it has nothing to do with lounging.
What a shot.
Looking a little out of it, up on that turnbuckle.
Oh, this could very well be the beginning of the end.
He's about to do it. He's about to do it again.
Oh, God, how do we arrange your skull? Just like he envisioned.
Cover! There's two!
Absolute evidence of that trademark staying power that John Cena possesses.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw. Clubbing blow stifles the attack. Carried around, bad spot to be in. Cover. Any more hits in that area could leave him dizzy. There's press! There's press! There's press! Vicious.
Not the most effective way to take out the trash, but still effective in its own way.
Stop. Shoulders down. Yes, able to survive and pull through.
Here is your winner, Jon Moxley!
The look of defeat all over Cena's face.
John Cena stopped dead in his tracks tonight. It's not often you see that happen.